It is definitely a wait, where did it go moment when your status bar suddenly stops giving you those quick math snapshot. So usually this happens because the feature was accidentally toggled off or the data you are selecting is not being recognized as countable. The most common culprit is that the count feature has been unchecked in the interface setting. So when you select it, you can see that there is no count over here. So to bring back, you need to right click anywhere on the bottom status bar. A menu will pop up showing several options like average, count, and sum, and look for the count. If there is no check marks next to them, click them to turn them back on. And here now you can see that the count is back on the status bar. So make sure Excel status bar only display information for two or more selected cells. If you have only one cell selected, the status bar will remain empty. So try clicking and dragging to highlight a range of at least 3 to 4 or see if the count reappears or not. And here you can see that it is appear. So with this way you can easily bring back count number to the Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.